Hi folks, how's it going? Well, let me introduce myself. I'm Danilo. I'm from Brazil, Southeast Brazil. I have a bachelor's degree in information system, graduated in 2018. In 2019, I had the opportunity to study for a master's focused on data science in the United States. Uh, I haven't finished. I had some trouble back then, so I wasn't able to finish. Well, currently I'm a data scientist. My last job was focused on sports data, analysis of sports data. And the idea behind this video is just to present to you guys some of my skills in data science, especially data wrangling and exploratory data analysis using Python. I joined Kaggle a couple of months ago, and I've been participating in some competition and also analyzing some data sets provided by some users and some other data sets provided by the US government. Uh, well, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to try to get some data from Kaggle and run some analysis. So I'm going to show you the steps that I take to run some analysis. I'm not going to create the machine learning models. I'm going to just to perform the data wrangling. But I'm planning to do this in the next video, so I'm going to try to do some hyperparameters to use to perform model selection and try different machine learning algorithms. Okay, this video is based on a video provided by a guy called David Robinson. David Robinson, he has a YouTube channel called The Tidy Tuesday. He performed some data wrangling using R. So I'm gonna just copy his idea. Well, that's it. Let's get started. Well, this is my Kaggle account. As I said, I've been an active member for the past 2 months. I recently became a notebook expert. So far, I joined 3 competitions, published 3 data sets, and 6 notebooks. For this analysis, I'm gonna try to do something that I've already done, so it's gonna be more straightforward and more easy to explain. So this data set is part of the Google Advanced Data Analytics project capstone course available at Coursera. That's a pretty good course. It contains information about employees who worked in a company. There are columns such as satisfactory level, number of projects, average monthly hours, time spent at a company, promotion last 5 years, department, and salary. Well, the goal is not just to predict whether the employee will leave or not the company, but also to explain, to at least try to explain why the employees are leaving the company. So it's to define the reasons that have a direct and clear impact on employee retention. Okay, let's start the analysis. Let's create an empty notebook. Okay, let's begin to importing the packages for data manipulation and also data visualization. Let's import the data. Okay, let's get the file name. Then let's check for the first 5 rows. Well, satisfaction level. This first column is the current satisfaction level ranging from 0 to 1.
This is the previous satisfaction level, and this is the number of projects that the employee were working while doing this evaluation. This is the average working hours, average monthly working hours. Time spent at a company, 3 years, 6 years, 4 years, 3 years. Work accident, if the employee had an accident at work. Left. This is whether the employee left the company. Promotion lasts 5 years. If the employee was promoted within the last 5 years. Department name and salary. Salary is a category, low, medium, and high. Okay, let's check for the data types and missing values. So there are 15,000 rows. Doesn't seem to have a missing values. Satisfaction level float 64, last evaluation float 64. It seems that the data types are correct, except for department and salary, which is actually not department and salary, but work accident left, promotion last year. So this could be at least for data visualization, could be a string column. Let's try to map these values. So just start with descriptive analysis. I like to transpose this table because it's easy to read. So satisfaction level 61% average on average, which is smaller than the previous one. So the mean 0.099%. This guy hated this company. 36% for the last evaluation. Number of projects 3.8. Not sure if that's maybe. In my opinion, this is a lot of projects, depending on the volume of tests, or I don't know, maybe 7 jobs, 7 projects. It's a lot. Well, average monthly hours 201. Usually we work 168 hours, which is 8 times 21, 168. So the employees are working on average 33 extra hours, which is about 1.55 extra hours a daily, not considering weekends. Well, this guy here, he works